Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to share with you 2 simple ways on how you can make money on YouTube, even if you have 0 subscribers. And make sure you stay till the end because I'm going to share with you a huge mistake that I made and how I missed out on a lot of money with YouTube and how you can avoid this mistake. Roll intro. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I invite you to subscribe to my channel. If you're not new here, welcome back. I'm happy to have you here. Now, if you clicked on this video, you're probably wanting to know how you can make money off of YouTube even when you have 0 subscribers. Well, guess what? I'm going to tell you. So many times with YouTube, people get on YouTube wanting to make money with YouTube, obviously, right? Then they get on YouTube, create a few videos, get discouraged, and when it doesn't take off and you don't get a lot of subscribers, then they just give up. That's because the dream is to create videos that we're passionate about, have creative freedom, and get a hefty paycheck from YouTube, right? That's the dream. But the problem with that dream is that you need subscribers, and a lot of subscribers. A lot. Well, I'm here to tell you that you do not need YouTube to pay you. You can still make money off of YouTube without YouTube even being in the picture. Well, obviously YouTube is going to be in the picture. They're just not going to be giving you the paycheck, but you still can make money off of YouTube. So the #1 way that you can use YouTube and still get paid without having any subscribers is affiliate links. And so with affiliate links, anytime that you mention something in your YouTube video, you can get paid from that. And you do not need YouTube to pay you. You mentioned something that has an affiliate link. And a lot of things that you might not be aware of has affiliate links and our affiliate program that you can get commission off of. And so you do not need YouTube to be able to make money off of YouTube. And you don't even need subscribers. If someone views that video and finds value in it and you have that affiliate link in your description box in your video, you can make money. So even with 0 subscribers, you can make money off your YouTube videos, especially if they're good and they're good quality and you're giving a good product review, or you're doing something, or you mention a product that you use and you find value in. You can make money off that video. So one simple way that you can make money with 0 subscribers is affiliate links. Now, #2 is using YouTube as a funnel. Now, if you're an entrepreneur or a small business, YouTube is a great funnel to your website to bring you more business and therefore bring you more cash money. You know what I'm saying? And so I'm a life coach and a clarity strategist. So one thing that I do for my business, I help people gain clarity and get direction in their life and business. And so for me, as a business, is a great way for me to funnel clients to my website. So anytime that I produce videos that are along those lines of getting clarity, helping people in their relationships, in their business, or I'm giving good business advice and creating videos around that, it's a great way to funnel people to my website. Because the point of all of this, with the affiliate links and funneling business to you, therefore you can make money, is to utilize the description box. And that means putting your links in the description box, whether it's your affiliate links or links to your other social media where people can follow you, or links to your website where you do business, your home base. So utilizing that description box is a great way to make money with 0 subscribers. 0, goose egg. I don't know another way to say 0, but 0. So it's about creating content and thinking about your videos as content to make money. So you have to think of your content that you're creating as a business, and not so much, oh, I need to get subscribers and therefore I can get paid from YouTube or I can get these brand deals. No. Think of that content that you're creating, that video that you're creating, as money, as an avenue to make money as a business. So you as a content creator, as you create these videos, you have to think of this production, this you producing these videos as a business. And so that's why you can make money off of YouTube with 0 subscribers. So as promised, I'm going to share with you the big mistake that I made with YouTube, that I left a lot of money on the table from this huge mistake that I made. Now, in the beginning of this video, I talked about how people get discouraged and they give up when they don't see their subscriber count go up when they're creating videos. Hey, I am no different. Yes, I was one of those. And I gave up on my channel. I abandoned it, right? Eventually, YouTube picked up one of my videos that I did a product review on. And it's funny because when I created this video, it was not for really YouTube or the content that I was creating at the time. I was actually trying to get a job, so I had to produce a video for the job that I was applying for, but I just uploaded to YouTube, my YouTube channel, because I was like, why not? It's content. And eventually, that video took off. It took off. It's at about 16K views at this point right now. And when at the time that I created it, it wasn't doing well, but somehow YouTube picked it up and it started doing well over the years. And today it gets countless views every single day. So the point of all this is, I say I abandoned that video, I abandoned my channel. I didn't monetize that video. I didn't think of that content that I created as a business asset. I mean, if you can think of it as a business asset. And now, with 16,000 views at this present moment and counting, it's continuing to get views on that video. Now, if I initially thought of it as a business asset, as something that I can monetize, I could have made money off of it. Now, mind you, I did go back and put the affiliate link in which I did the product review on in that video, but at the time, I didn't. I left money on the table because I didn't think of making that a business asset at the time. So anytime that you create a video, you never know what it's going to do, if it's going to take off. Even if it doesn't take off in the beginning, like the video that I created, it did not do well in the beginning, but some reason it got picked up by YouTube and started, I mean, to this day, every single day, it gets countless views every single day. Now think about if I had put the affiliate link in it in the beginning, how much money I could have made in the beginning, okay? So you have to think of it as a business asset and always monetize. Think about how I can make money off it, whether it's funneling things to my business, to my website, or creating an affiliate link of some sort from the mentions that you put in the video or the product review that you're doing. That video has over 16,000 views on it, and that's regardless of my subscriber count. So you have to think about the video, the content, and not so much the subscribers, even though there's value in subscribers, but the value is actually in the content, because you can make money off that video, off that business asset, off that content that you created without any subscribers, 0 subscribers. You can make money off that content. And that's how you have to look at it, as a business, either to funnel to your business if you have one, or anytime that you make mentions of anything that might have an affiliate link in your video, leverage that and take advantage of it, because you're leaving money on the table if you do not. I left a lot of money on the table from not including that affiliate link in that video in the beginning. And that's a mistake that I will not make again, because you never know what will happen in the future. Because like I said, that video did not do well in the beginning, and now it's at 16K. Now think about all the money that I left on the table because I did not monetize and put that affiliate link in that video. So always, always, always put an affiliate link. Any kind of links in the description box is so valuable. It's valuable. You are creating content. It's a business asset for you. So always think of your videos as a business asset for you. So that's all I have for this video. I hope you found value in it. Even if you have 0 subscribers right now, you can start making money off of YouTube right now. You just have to be smart about it and think of your content as a business asset and think of yourself as a business right now. Because when you think of yourself as a business, then you'll manifest that for yourself. And the subscribers, they'll come eventually. But you don't need subscribers to make money off of YouTube. You definitely do not. Anyways, I hope you found value in this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up, and I will check you in the next video. Peace.